As we're about to enter the dog days of summer, it's time to start thinking about ways to keep our cool, no matter how hot it gets outside. One sure way to do that is with a cool and refreshing no-bake dessert. For the lightest can be filling, we combine a container of whipped topping with a couple of boxes of pistachio pudding that we made according to the package instructions. We add a handful of chopped pistachios, and after this is mixed, we set it aside. Then we line a baking dish with graham crackers and top them with about a third of our pistachio mixture. We'll repeat layering this 2 more times until all the graham crackers and the filling is used up. Now we frost the top of this with whipped topping and garnish it with a few chopped pistachio nuts before putting it into the fridge to set up. Look at this, a cool and refreshing dessert that we made without turning on our oven or breaking a sweat. And when you dig your fork through layer after layer, you'll be smiling from ear to ear. To get the recipe for our 8-layer pistachio squares, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a no-bake, no-stress way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.